Today, we will learn 2 ways to change the artboard color. First way, go to File and select Document Setup. Right here, click on this box. Now you can change the color to whatever you want. But don't forget to check this box. Click OK. And here you are. To change the artboard color with another way, you have to draw a box with the color you want. And then, go to Object menu, Lock, and then Selection. This box will be as a background. But if you draw anything and send it to back, you will facing a problem. To fix this problem, make a new layer above the background layer. And start working. If you find this video helpful for you, please like and subscribe for more.